Uline's Indestructo Mailers are easy to assemble. This video will demonstrate the proper way to assemble an Indestructo mailer. Start with the thumb notch closest to your body. Repeat these steps for the proper way to assemble an Indestructo mailer. Indestructo mailers are crush-proof and perfect for protecting smaller, fragile items. Indestructo mailers are in stock and ready for immediate delivery from any of our strategic locations in North America. Whatever your box needs are, you can rely on Uline to have the solution.